I'm Walt Arnold with SVN Commercial Real Estate in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And today we're going to talk about why invest in commercial real estate. There's a lot of other choices out there to invest in, primarily stocks and bonds and coins. There's gold. There's a lot of different things to invest in today. Why should I invest in commercial real estate? Well, let's take a look at that. The first is returns. Commercial real estate is going to provide a return on your investment. And there's a couple ways to measure that. Just briefly, there's a cash-on-cash return that if you put in a certain amount of money, based on what you received that year, that's your return. Or there's a capitalization rate, which means is if I have a property that I bought for $100,000 and I put $100,000 of cash into that property and I got $10,000 at the end of the year, I got a 10% return. There's multiple ways to measure it, but cash on cash and cap rate are the two most widely used returns. Stability. Stock market's up and down, and things go up and down, and we read it every day in the paper or on the news at night. So much volatility in things. Commercial real estate has a very even keel to it, and it's good to control that. It's nice to know that your investment is there. It's not going to go anywhere. It's very important that stability, and a lot of people want that stability in commercial real estate. It's very important to have a stable investment that's going to last over time. The third one is appreciation. Commercial real estate appreciates in value, and there's several reasons why that happens. One is rents rise, and that creates a higher net operating income, which causes the property to raise in value. And then the cost of construction, the cost of rebuilding things just goes up and up in value. So the commercial real estate building is going to appreciate in value over time. Sometimes more quickly than others, but still there's a great amount of appreciation in commercial real estate. Especially right now in 2023, we've seen a tremendous amount of appreciation in all types of commercial real estate. The next one is depreciation. Depreciation, as you own a building, that building depreciates. The building gets older, and depreciation is a great source of tax savings for commercial real estate investors. Depreciation, every year you can depreciate the building over a certain amount of time. There's also, with commercial real estate, you can do cost segregation, which means you can depreciate items in that building over a short amount of time. But what commercial real estate provides is a source of tax savings through depreciation. The next one is control. If I own a commercial property, I can go out there, I can see it, I can drive by it, I can fix it, I can have people fix it, I can walk in there and make sure that if something's going on, I can help to remedy the situation. I have more control over the asset. I can see it, I can touch it, I can feel it. And that's the last one, touch, see, and feel. But touch, see, and feel go very closely related to control. Because I can go out to the building, I can see something needs to be done, I might have a problem with the tenant, I can rectify that, but I have control of that situation. I'm in charge of the situation, and I can do that. And also, but touch, see, and feel. I can drive by it, I can touch the bricks, I can feel the bricks, I can feel the grass that's in front of it. I mean, it's that kind of investment where you control it. And these are two, I think, very important ones for people. The control of that property, you control it. As with the stock and bond, you have no control over that. You buy it, whatever it does, that's what it does. You might be able to sell it or buy some more, but you can't really control more than that. You can't control the company, but you can control commercial real estate and the ability to just touch, see, and feel it, to drive by it, to know it's there, and to make sure everything is going well with it. So returns, commercial real estate has great returns, strong returns sometimes not as high returns, but returns. Stability, very stable in commercial real estate. That building's going to be there for a long time. You have appreciation in value. You have the tax benefit of depreciation. You have control of the property and the ability to touch, see, and feel the property. This is Walt Arnold with SVN Commercial Real Estate in Albuquerque, New Mexico. If you have any additional questions about this, give me a call, and I'd love to talk to you further about investing in commercial real estate.